Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you meet.
Y'all, it's that time of year. It's that time of year to go ahead and put some bundles in, okay? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for new content. I went ahead and got some bundles. We got some Amazon bundles because your girl's on a budget. I haven't even taken it out the package yet. So, I got this hair from Amazon. This hair is from QT Hair. I think is it QT Hair Company or QT Hair? I don't know. But it's QT Hair. I'm sure you guys have at least seen it at a point in time if you've ever been looking for bundles on Amazon. I actually ordered QT Hair in the past. You can actually go back and watch my gender reveal video, and I really liked it then. I don't know why I ended up taking it out. It wasn't anything to do with the hair. I don't know, I was pregnant and I think I wanted like something for the summer because it was starting to get hot and I just did not want all that hair on me. I still have it in my closet. And I did a glue-in, so it's kind of like ruined. So yeah, I wanted some new bundles anyway. I went ahead and ordered from them again. I was a little scared to order from anybody else just because when I did purchase this hair, I actually liked it and I remember liking the hair. So I just decided to go back with QT Hair again. I'm just really nervous but excited at the same time because it's been a while since I had bundles in my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up together. Let's go ahead and get it opened up and see what's in this bag. So I have two bags here, this bag and then this bag, and I'll explain why in a second. So they have 3 bundle deals and 4 bundle deals. I decided to get a 3 bundle deal and then get an extra bundle because I like a fuller look. So I got 4 bundles for myself. Some people don't like 4 bundles. It's just something that I personally like. I like a fuller look on myself, so that's what I decided to do. The lengths that I got was 2 24s, a 22, and oh, I don't even know. Hold on. Okay. I got 2 24s, a 22, and a 20-inch. My bad, guys. I'm not feeling that hot. I've had a sinus infection for literally the past like month. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up this bag here, and this is going to be the 3 bundles that I got in one. And this will be the 20, the 22, and the 24. This is what it comes in. And it says QT Hair on the front. So, ooh, this is kind of packed full. Here are the instructions for the hair. It's a little pamphlet. You can kind of scan through that and see what it advises you of. You can dye this hair as well. And it just gives you like hair washing tips, if it can be dyed or bleach, if you can restyle it, flat ironing, all of the good stuff. So yeah, in this little pamphlet, this is cute. It looks like a little bunny headband. I actually really like this, and I was actually kind of looking for one of these today. That's so funny. It comes with 2 little scrunchies, super duper cute. I might use these on my daughter, but super cute. Oh, they loaded it up. You get a mesh hairnet. That's it. So, and then I like to keep these little bags for storage. Here's the hair. I got loose deep wave because I love wavy hair. So, and you can see on the front, so this is a 20-inch, and then we have the 22-inch, and then we have the 24-inch. So I'm going to start with the 24-inch first. I love that they put the rubber band on the outside of the plastic, just to keep the weft from sliding down when you're opening the package. As I'm taking it out the package, this is what the hair looks like. And this is the 24-inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the net that it comes in. This is the hair. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And it's like really soft, guys. Like really soft, and I love that. Wow. Wow. Super soft. And then this is what the wefts look like, if you guys can see that. The smell, it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell like anything. And then on the front it says unprocessed virgin hair, dye, bleach, or perm. But I really like the way that this feels. Like I'm kind of like, I don't know, I feel weird because I haven't felt bundles in a while because I've been putting passion twist in for the last couple of months, and I forget how hair is supposed to feel and all that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this is just me combing my fingers through. I'm not getting any shedding as of yet. Here are the ends, and this is me just showing you the hair all around. I am going to wash these bundles as well, just so that I get that natural texture of the hair. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the 22-inch. So here's the 22-inch. Ooh, super duper soft. So this is the 22-inch. It is super soft. Super soft, guys. My fingers are literally just gliding through, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful hair. It's full from root to tip. This is what it looks like. Beautiful loose wave, loose deep wave. Here's the 18-inch. Oh man, super soft, you guys. Super soft. I just love it. It is so soft, you guys. Like, I cannot believe it. I'm not getting any shedding with these bundles right now at all whatsoever. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I love it. Cannot wait to put this in. Let's go ahead and put this back in its package. And then I have one last bundle, which is the separate 24-inch that I got. For some reason on their website for the loose deep wave. So if you guys see on the front here, if you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 14A, okay? Keep that in mind, okay? And this was the 3 bundles that I just took out of this package, okay? Now, this separate bundle that I have here that I'm getting ready to take out, the front of it says 12A. You guys can see that here. I'm going to take this out to see if there's a difference in the texture, the way that it feels, and all of that, and we'll see. I just thought that that was a little weird that the single bundle says 12A. But we'll see if there's actually a difference. I got 2 more of these little scrunchies here. I will definitely be using those on my daughter. Another one of these pamphlets, and another mesh cap that came in the bag. All right, here we go. Oh wow, no, it doesn't feel any different at all. It doesn't feel any different at all. It feels literally the same, the exact same. So I don't notice a difference. Yeah, this is it. It's the same. I'm just running my fingers through it. It literally feels the exact same. So I don't know if that's like a typo on their website that they have. Okay. I had to reposition the camera a little bit because it was throwing me off. But yeah, so this is it here. And I hope you guys can see that good. Full from root to tip. It's very, very pretty. I don't think I mentioned as well that this is Brazilian hair, Brazilian loose deep wave hair. So the way that I'll be installing it is through a quick weave, and instead of using a lace closure or a lace frontal, I will be using my leave outs. I'm a little nervous about that because it's been a long time, but I want something that looks natural, and I just feel like sometimes the whole lace thing doesn't really come off as natural to me. So yeah. But it's gonna be a quick weave winter, guys. So I'm gonna be doing quick weaves all winter long, and this is just the first one that we're gonna do by Cutesy Hair. And I'm excited because I'm gonna be trying out different vendors, and most likely gonna stick to Amazon because it's very affordable. Amazon's very affordable unless I can find a hair company that isn't on Amazon that's affordable. So I'll have to let you guys know and keep you posted on that. But like I said, I am gonna wash these bundles, and I think I am gonna make a separate video washing these bundles and take you guys along with me. And if there is a wave pattern after the hair has been washed, I want to see all of that. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.